proud of you.
This one's yellow too.
Yeah, these are all.
I think they start out yellow till they're getting ready to lose their flowers, and then they turn green. Because you see the seed pods are all green.
Yeah.
So I think the older they are, they turn green. That's my guess anyway.
Yeah. See the little holes developing in the end of that though?
Yeah.
That's where the seeds are.
Little picky things. They're not really picky, but how big are the seeds?
I'll show you when we get home. I've got some from a year or so ago.
They kind of tangle down under there.
Yeah, you got
I can't